hello.
Everything was fine until it absolutely was not. This kitten is plotting.
Gotta let it go, baby!
Not me watching this 12 times. This is why I have trust issues with reindeer. Certified unhinged behavior as this cat slides. The regret on that face though, cat. Look at the face. This tiny kitten is absolutely.
Oh shit!
The regret on that face thought his.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both.
Oh my god, pumpkin!
Gary!
Look at the face of this sneaky little bathroom explorer.
Oh god!
Really black,
Hey! This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. This absolute chunk literally rolled down the stairs like a fluffy.
Oh my god.
Why are you growling?
Excuse me, what? Since when do cats spawn directly out?
Yeah, she ain't moving.
No, she is not. Huh?
This is me every Monday morning, and I will not explain further. That tiny black kitten.
It's me! It's me!
The slow realization happening in real time right here. He stood up like a tiny human. Perfection.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
That tale tells the whole story honestly. Full hydroplaning mode activated. He completely lost traction.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
I have so many questions about where he... Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this. We love it.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this. We love it. Car sunroof pet activates.
Will there be 6 more weeks of winter?
Yes.
The Wanky has spoken. Sorry about it.
How long was the planning phase for this? 0 seconds? He calculation swiped his own blueberry and his friend. I blinked and missed it the first time that...
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Living rent-free in my head forever. The hero nobody asked for has arrived. Dog just stole his flip-flop.
No. No.
No work. No school. No bills. Just sleep. Just eat. Just poop.
Please, put your penis away.
No,
I'm not gonna ask you again. Put your penis away.
I am who I am.
The audacity. The absolute audacity of this cat leaving its owner. This is why I have trust issues. My friend just...
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Эй, Джем! Опа, 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 Джем, ты сейчас получишь.
Okay, I need everyone to see what just happened here. This cat's...
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, what is, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Did you catch that? Rewind it. This cat.
Little Black, hang on. Oh, gosh.
It's okay. It's okay, Daddy.
That expression says everything. He really wants. This cannot be real life. That dog just completely outran him.